Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, it's done. Couldn't wait. Actually, what happened was I did everything. The body, the lights, everything. Everything I said we were going to do in our next video, I did, recorded it, took out the car, did everything. And when I went to edit the video, unfortunately, all of my video was lost, which I never thought would happen. I hear it all the time. You know, I went to do this, whatever, sound or video, audio, whatever, but it was lost. So now, this is what I'm doing right now, is reintroducing the car done. As you can see, it is done. I did the wing, put the wing back on, put the matching body clips, painted the car black, did the chrome trimmings all over it. I like the car. I like it. I like the car. The car looks, to me, great. Like, it's completely matching. Looks great as it is. Let's just go over what I did. So, I mean, let's turn the car around. Did the muffler, the tailpipes, did that. Put the lights in. There's a switch for it. The nice, put the wing back on it. I mean, really, the car looks nice. Look at the headlights, all the stickers I put back on it, all of them. Everything is done. You can see it. I mean, it looks real nice, real nice. Let's just take it off so you can see the lights from underneath. So I will be taking it out on another test run, because I did the video before with it at night after I finished it. Took it out at night, the lights on, and drifted, drove it straight. There it is. Let's see. All of it right there. Inside there. Glued in the buckets. Light wiring right there. Wiring on the side, going to the front on the buckets. Yeah, that's a lot of glue, but I want to make sure that the lights stay on it good, and they have. So I mean, I think it looks real good. Works perfect. Finished the chassis already. Put the battery tray, put the receiver, ESCs on. I did the motor mount. Tightened everything up. Everything is buttoned up. These rims are grip tires, but we're not going to be using these. We're going to be using drift tires because I want to take it out for drifting, and they're more or less the same, but the other ones that I have are the drift tires. But this is what the last episode was. This is it right here, episode 3, and that's the body. Did it all in black, tinted the windows, as you can see through. Trimmed it all out with a chrome marker pen. All the stickers back on it. Everything. I mean, it looks great. So let's get it back together and do a little night driving. It'll be with the lights, so you can see the lights, and then after that I'll put in the video day driving, so you can see it in the daytime as well. Now, I'm not a professional drifter. I haven't done too much of it. I'm still practicing. Let's get this back. Nickel metal hydride 3300. So you have to bear with me while I learn how to drift. It's easy to some people, not to everybody. I've watched drift movies, seen other RC cars, other people drifting, but I don't really know how to do it. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Okay, plug all this in. Everything's in, plugged in. Let's zip tie things down. Get everything zip tied down so that way nothing comes loose. No loose wires. It's bad if you get a loose wire and it hits the fan, create a short anywhere. You don't want loose wires. So I'll just put this here and that. Keep it out of the way. Yeah, so the other video that I had done was a little bit long because I did a lot of, obviously all the work to put everything together, and then did the daylight driving and the nighttime driving and lost it all. So that's okay though. Things happen. Yeah, I was a little upset, bummed out about it though. It's more time to drive. That's all it is. It's more time to drive. Okay, so everything's buttoned up. The battery tray's good. The servo, I am going to change the servo out because it is a little slow. Slower than normal, I want to say. But they are fun. These drift cars are fun. And the more powerful system you have in it, the better drifting you can do. Even when you have street tires, you can zip through the street, like go crazy fast. Let's take it out. Hope you like it, guys. We're gonna do a little more drifting, practice drifting, whatever you want to call it. So let's see how it goes. Let's get this done.